open your eyes. You're lying face down in the snow, and you have no idea how you got here. The cold hits first, then the endless silence. The sky above you is a flat, dead gray. This is the Ice Age, around 20,000 years ago. You have no tools, no fire, and no idea where you are. The temperature is far below freezing, and you have until nightfall before this place tries to kill you. So let's find out, honestly. Could you survive? Your first enemy isn't a wolf or a bear. It is the cold itself. Exposed like this in this wind, you could be dead within hours. Your body is already burning precious energy just to keep your heart beating, and your fingers are going stiff. The first rule of survival here is simple. Get out of the wind. You stagger to your feet and scan the white, featureless horizon. Then you see it, a low rock ridge with a dark hollow beneath it. It isn't warm, but it blocks the wind. And right now, that is everything. Shelter buys you time, but you still need to trap your own body heat. The people who lived here wore layered animal hides, scraped soft and sewn tight. You have none of it, so you do what they did when they were desperate. You gather dry grass, moss, and bark and stuff it under your clothes, against your skin. It looks pathetic. It might also be the reason you see tomorrow. Now your throat is dry, and you are surrounded by water, frozen water. So you scoop up a handful of snow and lift it to your mouth. Stop, that alone could kill you. Eating snow drops your core temperature and burns the heat you cannot spare. To drink safely, you have to melt it first. And that means you need the single most important thing in this world: fire. Fire is not a luxury here. Fire is life itself. Warmth, safe water, cooked food, and protection once the sun goes down. But making fire from nothing with frozen hands is brutally hard. You need dry tinder, a wooden spindle, a flat board, and relentless friction. You find a dead, dry branch sheltered under the rocks, and you begin. You spin the spindle between your palms, faster, harder, longer. Your hands blister, and your shoulders scream, and still nothing. But out here, stopping means dying, so you do not stop. Until at last a thin curl of smoke rises from the wood. A single glowing ember, no bigger than a seed. You cup it in your hands like it is the most precious thing alive. You lower it into dry grass and you breathe slowly, gently. A flame catches and climbs. Fire! You have fire! And for the first time since you woke, you might actually live. But flames do not fill an empty stomach, and you are starving. Out here, in this frozen world, food does not come easily. Every plant you could eat is buried deep beneath the snow, which leaves the most dangerous option of all. You have to hunt. And the Ice Age belonged to giants, woolly mammoths taller than 2 men with tusks like curved spears, giant deer, bison the size of small cars, and the hunters that stalked them, cave lions, cave bears, and wolves. Any one of them could end you in seconds. You are not the strongest creature here. You are not even close. But you carry the one weapon none of them have, a mind that plans ahead. You don't fight a mammoth. No one fights a mammoth and wins. Instead, working together, people drove them into pits or over cliffs. A single kill could feed an entire group for weeks, but you are alone. So today you aim smaller, a hare, a bird, anything at all. To reach better ground, you come to a wide frozen river. The ice looks solid. It might not be. One wrong step, and the black water beneath will pull you under in seconds. You test each footfall, heart hammering, and cross slowly, carefully. And then you notice the light is changing. The sun is sinking. In the Ice Age, night is not rest. Night is the real test. The temperature plunges and the hunters wake up hungry. You build your fire higher and pull everything close. Beyond the ring of light, the darkness fills with sound. A snapping branch, a low rolling growl. Eyes catching the firelight, then gone. The fire is the only wall standing between you and them. So you cannot truly sleep. You don't dare. You doze and jolt awake and doze again all through the endless night. And this is what the Ice Age taught us. No one survives alone. You needed others. Someone to watch the dark while you closed your eyes. And then for just a moment, you look up, and the entire sky is alive with green and violet fire. The same aurora your ancestors watched, with the same quiet wonder. Even here, there was beauty. At last, the black sky softens back to gray. You made it. You survived a single day, frozen, starving, and somehow still breathing. And you would have to do all of it again tomorrow. But this was life. Every day, for thousands of years. And your ancestors didn't just endure the Ice Age, they beat it. They spread across a frozen world that should have erased them. And everyone who survived passed something on. The urge to find shelter, the fear of the dark, the pull toward fire and toward each other. You are alive right now because they refused to lie down in the snow. So could you survive a day in the Ice Age? The strange truth is, everything they used to survive is already inside you. That is your drift point. Follow for more of the story you are still living.